What is Arrived Homes? Arrived Homes is a crowdfunding platform allowing individual investors to contribute small amounts of capital to finance home projects. Arrived Homes touts itself as a way of generating passive income. Arrived Homes was founded by Ryan Frazier, Kenny Kaysen, and Alejandro Choza in 2019. Early investors in Arrived Homes were Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, along with Salesforce.com founder Mark Benioff. Arrived Homes is an investment platform that allows investors to buy shares in rental properties. The rental properties are single-family homes and short-term vacation rental properties. Arrived Homes buys homes, renovates homes, then rents the home out to qualified renters. Investing in a real estate investment deal requires a minimum of $100. You can select the property that you wish to invest in. Investors have to pay a 1% annual fee and an 8% property management fee. Investors receive rental payouts on a quarterly basis. Any U.S. resident over 18 is eligible to invest. Arrived Homes is a platform for long-term investors who have a 5 to 7 year investment horizon. The company offers real estate in many growing markets that are likely to appreciate and would be attractive to scores of qualified renters. The homes are owned by LLCs, which means that the investors have no personal liability exposure. Annualized yields are currently averaging between 3.2% and 7.6%. That's a solid yield during this time of economic turbulence. It's a new venture, so remember, there's always the risk of default.